Hello everyone, today in this video I'll show you how to fix the fatal error on CS2. This issue is an XMP instability and probably for you is the same reason why. So what you need to do here is go first to your BIOS and need basically to disable XMP and choose low memory frequency. And to do so you just need to open up settings, then you go to Windows Update, then here you can actually just type in recovery options. In here, go ahead and look for the advanced setup and click on restart now. Once your PC restart, you'll have a blue screen with this three option and you will have to go ahead and click on troubleshoot. On the next window, you will have to go ahead and click on UEFI firmware settings. This will take you to the BIOS settings. Now on the BIOS settings, this will depend on what your motherboard is and what your BIOS might look like. So I'll use a gigabyte screenshot right here. On your BIOS, go ahead and look for extreme memory profile, which is XMP. I want you to go ahead and click on it and turn it to disabled. Now once disabled, go ahead and restart your PC and you should be able to go back to your game without any stress. Now if this video helped, put a like on the video. That will be all. Have a nice day.